Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill in your brows with a brow gel and have it look natural. So the first thing I like to do is brush down the brows. The reason I brush them down is because for me it exposes the areas where they're sparse. And it's these sparse areas where I want to apply the most amount of colour. I'm going to use Merit. Now here's the trick. Instead of combing up or across, we're going to comb back to front. So we're placing the colour where we need it most and a few strokes in the opposite direction. This imparts colour where needed. Now, before I do anything else, I'm just going to very lightly comb through the rest with whatever is on the wand. Now, gently, I'm going to groom all the way through the brow with zero pressure. And you can see it's made a massive difference. I hope you can see. Now, if you find that there's still some sparse areas, you can either fill them in again by going in the opposite direction or just fill in with a brow pencil. But for me, this is the perfect way to apply brows. I don't like overly groomed brows. I like brows to look natural and perfected, but not too perfect. And this for me is the perfect way of doing it. Again, comb up. Do your brows however you want, but what you're looking for is any sparse areas and just fill in those colors. Trust me, it's quicker, easier, it will last longer by going against the grain, and no, you won't lose any brow hairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.